Hey there, all you fantastic young artists, and welcome back to 101 Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're continuing our awesome fall drawing series, and I've got a delightful surprise for you. Are you ready? Let's jump right into it. Check out this super cute blue jay enjoying the crisp fall weather on a pumpkin. Time for the blue jay's special feature, its cool, pointy crest. It's like a stylish crown that sets them apart from other birds. Isn't that awesome? There's no rush in art. Take your time and have fun. Just look at that happy expression. It's as if the blue jay is loving every moment of this season as much as we do. And here's the magic touch. This pumpkin is not just any pumpkin. It's open from the top. And you can see all those pumpkin seeds and the inside. It's like a sneak peek into the heart of autumn. To complete this beautiful scene, I've scattered some lovely fall leaves around. They're floating gracefully, dancing in the fall breeze. It's like they're celebrating the season right along with our blue jay friend. Our little blue jay is painted in the most gorgeous shades of blue. It's bright and lively, just like the clear autumn skies. Blue jays are known for their striking colors, and this one is no exception. And let's not forget those warm oranges and reds that bring this whole scene to life. Fall is all about these cozy, inviting colors, and I wanted to make sure our artwork captured that essence. So, my young artists, there you have it, our cheerful blue jay perched on a pumpkin, surrounded by the beauty of fall. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already for more easy peasy art adventures. And remember, keep those creative juices flowing. Until next time, happy drawing!